Today we're going to be walking around Craigellachie National Nature Reserve. We're just going to be doing a wee wander around the buzzard and woodland path. I always enjoy coming here for a wee bit of peace and quiet. It's really easy to get to because it's right next to Abbeymoor. 5-minute walk from the town and it feels like you're in the middle of nowhere. Just get to enjoy the scenery and the views. It's great. Speaking of the views, this one is unreal. There's plenty more like it down the trail as well. Really, really good spots to have a nice look out. As you can see for the trail itself, you've got a few drains, some loose stones, but overall it's really, really easy. There's not much to it at all. It's fairly easy, straightforward, and it's really great. I can't speak to what it's like on really rainy days or maybe a winter's day, but the day I had was gorgeous, so the path was absolutely brilliant. I don't know if it was the sunshine or I was just having a great day, but the place really felt alive. Everywhere you walked, you could hear birds singing, you could hear animals scuttering through the grass. It was really good. If you're really lucky, you might even see some ospreys down by the loch, and I was quite lucky myself, but I couldn't get my phone out quick enough to take a picture of them, unfortunately. But there's always next time. So we've just come from there. We've also got the summit route, which is very, very nice. There you go, Mick. Amazing. Cheers for tagging along. See you on the next one.